Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing my Etsy and YouTube income. These are going to be my payouts for May. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, so May was a little bit of a slower month, but I am so excited for this video because we are going to be stuffing my May payouts for Etsy and YouTube. So this is the payment that I did receive in June, but it's for the month of May. YouTube is weird, and I choose to get paid out for Etsy monthly as well, just because my shop is not like huge or anything. It just makes more sense to me. So we are looking at Etsy. I made $10 in May, which I am very thankful for, but I didn't add anything extra to my shop. And honestly, sometimes Etsy stresses me out. So I'm just coming up with ideas and new challenges for y'all when they come to me, when I feel like doing it. It's just not a priority for me, honestly, but I do love creating for you. And actually in June, I have now come up with 4 new challenges, and you'll actually get, and they've all come out within this past week, but you'll get to see my newest one during this video. So stay tuned towards the end for that one. And I did bring home $181 from YouTube, and that is all thanks to y'all for watching my channel and sticking around through those ads. So again, thank you, thank you, thank you. This cash stuffing would not be possible without all of you, so thank you. But let's go ahead, let's get into this cash stuffing. We should have $191 here, but let's count and double check that I pulled the correct money out. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So that's 170. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 90, or 9, 90, 91. All right, so we do have $191 to work with today. So we are gonna start off in my kind of business binder / my AshleyMarieBudgets binder. First up is my envelope for my business. I am currently stuffing 10% of both my Etsy and YouTube income into this envelope, and this will just be for anything that I do need for the channel. My next big purchase, I believe, is going to be a desk. I want to just get a plain white desk for my videos, and I do need a bigger desk than what I am currently working on. So that is my next big purchase, but today we are going to add $19. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So we are now up to 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Next up is YouTube giveaways, and I am putting away 10% for this, which is going to be $18 today. So 15, 16, 17, 18. And we are now up to 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. And I'm not sure when I'm going to do my next giveaway. We are getting close to 2,000 subscribers, but I might wait, maybe do 2,500, just so I can get a little bit extra in here. I'm not sure what I want to do. If you have any suggestions, leave it down below. What would y'all like? Next is Splice, which is the app that I use to edit all my videos. Right now, I'm looking at doing filling in 3 squares each month to get me to where I need to be to pay for this subscription in November. So we are going to be stuffing 3 of those today, which means we are stuffing $9. This is not my favorite tracker. I might update this one here soon. I think I said that in the last video for this, but I need to. After doing my last few trackers, I am not a huge fan of the way that one looks. So far we've got 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, $39, which is about halfway. Actually, it's more than halfway. So that's good. All right, next up is Canva. I use Canva for all of my savings challenges. A lot of my Instagram posts I use Canva for. Each of these little boxes are worth $5. Today I'm just gonna do 2 of them. So we are stuffing $10 into Canva. And now we are at $10, $15, $20, $25. Okay, next one is not my favorite, taxes. We are going to be putting $54 into taxes today. Now I'm stuffing cash in there today, but when I do my monthly update for my sinking funds, I'm gonna switch that out to be prop money, and I'm putting all my tax money into a savings account. That way it can earn a little bit while we are waiting, you know, to pay these taxes. And I'm not gonna count that now, but I will count it when I do that update. So 54 for YouTube, and we are doing $3 for Etsy. Both of those I am stuffing 30% of my income, just so I don't have to worry about anything, and hopefully I won't have to use all this money, and then those can, you know, be redistributed into whatever sinking funds or savings challenges I have going on at that time. So that's it for this binder. Next up is going to be my savings challenges. I did decide that for my Etsy and YouTube income, at least for now, I'm pretty much just going to be stuffing the like extra stuff after my business binder into just like savings challenges, because they're fun, and I feel like most of this income is just, you know, it's to go towards the extra stuff for me and my family. So I'm going to stuff it in all the fun stuff. So we're starting off with my new summer challenge, which is the By the Sea Mini Savings Challenge. I'm hoping to finish this off before the end of summer. We are going to be stuffing $5 in there today, which means I get to color in one of these cute little blue coral. Okay, so that is $5. And we are now up to $15 for this challenge. Next thing I'm stuffing is my retirement savings challenge. And this is my newest challenge, and this will probably be the first time you are seeing it. I will be putting it on my Etsy shop. So hopefully by the time this video is out, it'll already be up there. If not, look out for it this weekend, and I will make sure I get it up by the end of the weekend. But the way I have it set up, because before, I'll actually pull out what I was doing before. Before I was doing, you know, a normal 52-week challenge, but as a server, my income is so variable, and the thought of having to stuff this number in December, or even this number in December, is just kind of like, it can be a lot when my income can be very drastic in the winter months. So I decided to change it up just for a little peace of mind. And I came up with this challenge. So depending on how you want to do this challenge, it can be a 52-week challenge. So you'll notice the first 4 rows are in like the coral color boxes, and these last rows are just in like the gray bluish color boxes. So if you just do the coral, that's going to be a 52-week challenge, as long as you color in 1 box each week. And then these can be bonus boxes. Now, I don't remember exactly the number. It's about a little over 800, I believe, for the 52-week challenge. But this last bonus challenge, which is where all my higher numbers are at, is actually $950 here. So altogether, if you did the entire challenge, I believe the final number was 1,880. I'll double check, and when I put it in the Etsy listing, I'll list which each area is worth for you guys. But I figured this would be fun, and these numbers are not nearly as scary to me as the other numbers, even though technically I'm saving like $500 more if I do the entire challenge. So my goal now for summer is I want to get this bottom row filled up by the end of summer. And then that way, all these up here, you know, I can fill those in when it gets slower or my income's not as high. But that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I did go ahead and fill in what I already have stuffed for the year. I did choose to fill in at least, I did one of the 100s, and then the rest I did as 25s because that's the higher number for the top section. But yeah, that's kind of where my thought process is on this retirement savings challenge. But today for this stuffing, we are going to be adding $20. And I think I am going to do 20s in the light pink. I think I'm going to choose colors for this one just to make it cute. So this light pink for $20. All right, and for retirement, we are now at 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 10, 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. All right, so we are at 345 for retirement. Next thing we are stuffing is going to be our emergency savings challenges. This is another one of my newer ones that you would have seen in the last video. And we are stuffing $10 into that today. This one is a $1,000 challenge. So let's see, 10. Where is a 10 that I want to color in? We'll do this one down here. So now for emergency savings, we are up to 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 170 for emergency savings. Okay, that's it for this binder. And now we are gonna move on to our Disney binder. All right, so we are gonna start off with the Mickey Savings Challenge, which is another one of my new ones that I came up with. This one, so I had a couple extra dollars that didn't really line up. So we're actually gonna put $18 into this one. And next time I do a cash stuffing, I'll even it out and be able to color in that extra Mickey. But that means we get to color in 3 of these. And this one, I don't know. I just think he's super cute. I took a picture of, if you've ever been to Disney World, they have a lot of cute like Mickey signs, and I took a picture of a Mickey in this position, and I just had to draw him up like this, and it turned out super cute. Definitely looks better as a smaller version versus the larger version that I drew, but he's super cute, and I am really excited for this one. So now in this challenge, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, $28. And this is just kind of a random challenge for me in this binder. It doesn't have any set place that it's gonna go, but I figured it's a good spot to put like random extra amounts that I don't really know where I want it to go, if that makes any sense. We are not stuffing resort, but we are gonna stuff the park tickets. And this one is going to be getting $25 today, which means we get to color in one more of the safari boxes, which also stands for Animal Kingdom, if you didn't know. All right. And that is our last 25 over here. So for tickets, we are now at 100, 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So $350 for tickets. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I am so thankful for all of y'all, because this cash stuffing would not be possible without you. So again, thank you, and I will see you next time. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And yeah, that's it. Bye.